Good morning, guys. So we got our driver's side tie rod assembly, inner outer sleeve done and on the car. This one's going to be a super short one because we're waiting on parts again. You gotta love it. You can tell what's missing, right? I mean, hoses and everything are done for the calipers. Can't put them on because we don't have rotors. You gotta love it. So, give you guys the update on the other side. Same thing. What do we say, Bernsey?
Later, guys.
Good morning, everybody. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Okay, so here's the new one. Oop, sorry. I'm trying to hold the phone on my knees. That's the way it's supposed to work. Ooh, that's not the easiest thing in the world to do. I'm getting old. Okay, let's try this again. Yours. Yeah, that thing's shot. So, old one is out, new one's going in. We'll do the drag link as well since we're here. Yay. Yay. But, all right, guys. I can't wait till that lift becomes open so I can do the rest of this stuff on the lift instead of on my back. We'll leave that one alone. See you guys on the next one.